What's up, YouTube? Roxa back with another video. So we're at it again, y'all. We are at it again. So last night we waited all day long, and the guy finally came and put the windshield wiper motor. This is what had us out of business. That little part right there. We had to go to the junkyard and find one because they're backed up with that part. They were like 4 months out of stock. So they're really backed up with that part. So after we did that, then I realized during my pre-trip that my horn doesn't work. So they did have this horn in stock. They did have it in stock, so I'm glad about that. So I looked on YouTube and figured out how to put it in. So if you can look back here, there it is under the daggone hood. Now I gotta try to get to it. So if you look back, because when the guy did the video I couldn't tell where it was placed on the truck. I couldn't tell where it was. But it's right up under, see that flap? You look right under there, this right here. You can see that right here. So I'm gonna try and put this on. I hope y'all can see it if I have the camera position right. So it looks like it comes right off. Gotta kind of be an acrobat to do it. Unless you want to take this cup off. Let them run around, huh? DOT, it's a violation as well if you don't have this horn working. So, I tried everything else but this. So, I'll be back. Y'all will see when I put it in. So I'm putting this in. Here's the old one under here. And it looks pretty beat up. So I'll be back. You got it? So I'm taking this off. Just unhook right there. This is the won't work. That's the old one. Here's the new one. So you just plug it back up. Plugs right in. Alright.
You hit the horn?
Yeah, so he's gonna hit the horn. We'll see if it works. Just take your time and figure stuff out. But everything ain't gotta be a hundreds and hundreds of dollar repair bill.
Good job, honey. And Roxa Trucking will be back with another video. This is just a little FYI.
Let me show them. I'm putting it back on. Show them up under there.
Let me show you where the horn at. Right here.
I have to tighten
As you can see it, it's right here. and she just has to tighten it, and we good to go. So
Okay,
that's
let me
again
get it.
Roxo with another video, just an FYI. How to change your semi truck horn.